Let's make a DIY cement table. This budget-friendly project will add warmth and texture to any space. For this project, you will need Gorilla Glue, MDF, joint compound, paint, drywall tape, and sandpaper. Glue your sheet of MDF to your existing table for an added layer of thickness. Tape off your base and use your drywall tape to cover the entire surface of your project. This will allow your plaster mixture to adhere to the top. Mix 3 parts joint compound, 1 part paint. You're going to layer it on using a spackle or putty knife. And this is the rich texture that you're going to get. You can also sand and seal it when you're finished.